13. This is the stuff that you should know by now. Okay, somebody tell me why this box was drawn with dashes.
Other wires are connected.
Huh?
There's more.
Slices into this?
More to it than what you're seeing.
Yeah,
Right, that's what that means. All right, what's this?
It's a battery.
that's a battery, isn't it?
That's right. Did you draw a picture of a ground? Everybody hold your paper up.
Yeah.
Ground, ground, ground. Move your finger. Okay,
That's like
that looks pretty decent. Ground. Wrong. Slap yourself. Okay.
Oh, I did. That's
He drew a picture of the dirt. I mean, okay. Like a horizon or something. Never mind, I'm sorry. Okay. Here we go. We got some points here. What do these points have in common?
They look like they share the same ground.
That's a good answer, Willie. Who put something besides that? Who put anything besides that? They share the same ground. Whenever you're trying to find something that's not working, if something ain't working and something else ain't working, or if you turn on something and something else comes on, like you remember when I had a bad ground on one of them cars out there, when you turn on the, when you turn on the headlights, the wipers come on because you got a bad ground. You know, they both of them share the same ground. All right, that kind of thing. Okay, let's move on here. This particular one right here, in the top of this drawing right here, that's the one that we're going to ask in the next 3 questions. Okay. First question is, somebody read it loud.
What is the component at the top of the drawing?
What is the component at the top of the drawing?
It's a relay.
Looks like a relay.
All right. All right, what's the next question?
What is it control?
What does it control?
Courtesy lamps.
All right. And then finally, what controls it?
BC.
BCM.
The
Body
BCM.
control module. That's what I wrote up.
Yeah, the body control module. Powertrain control module ain't gonna do the interior lights. All right, now what is this? What is the dotted line? What does the dotted lines on this mean?
I got lost, but I said, does that have to do with the wires being twisted?
Well, you're close, Willie. You're close. Now, the dotted line doesn't mean they're twisted, but you'll usually see that around a twisted pair.
Is it what's outside the wires?
Yeah, it's outside the wire, but what is it? I mean, what is the purpose of that?
To let you know that they're
Have you ever seen these things that are wrapped in foil, these wires that are wrapped in foil and they'll have a ground wire? No, they're wrapped in foil and they'll have insulation. On that board over there, the ones coming from that crank sensor are wrapped in foil and there's a ground wire that's sort of in there with that foil, and that is a shield. That keeps electrical interference from
Does
causing
outer layer
issues.
count?
Huh?
Does outer layer count?
Well, no, I'd say shield. If you didn't put shield, like Agents of Shield or something like that, you probably messed up.
Okay, I put outer layer.
Yeah, outer layer sounds like you just took a wild guess. All right,
What's that?
all right. Huh?
So what's that?
The shield. It's an electromagnetic shield, basically. All right, and what is this? Why are these 2 switches right here got a dotted line between them?
They use the same connector.
No?
Oh,
where you at?
They're in.
Turn it over, Willie.
When one moves, does the other move
Huh?
as well?
Yes, that's called a ganged switch. When you move one, the other one moves the same way. All right, now I got this little schematic here. Now that, what are the 4 square components in this drawing?
Cool.
coils.
Yeah, how do you know?
Because they're hooked
Go
to
to a
spark
spark
plugs.
plug.
Very good. All right. See, I'm just trying to see if you guys are paying attention and if you're thinking. Did anybody not know what those were? Anybody not know where they were? Is anybody sitting there writing the answers as we go over them? Look, Quincy, honest man right there. Where's that? I know what those were. But you got to be able to think outside the box and inside the box. If you can't think inside the box, how can you expect to think outside the box? You know. All right. So right here, let's look at this one here. What is that one there? This says, what are the 2 motorized components at the bottom right side of the drawing?
Fuel pump.
Fuel pumps.
How do you know?
Because it said.
It says dual tanks. It's got primer on it.
You're talking about tanks and all that, see? I mean, that's fairly simple. You got all the information you need. Yeah,
This inside. This inside.
yeah. All right.
It took me a while to figure that out.
Now that one right there, study this. What do you think the 2 sensors were for at the top of the page? Huh?
The 2 sensors or
I figured the Hall effect was probably like a coolant temperatures or.
Huh? What?
No, it has
Moody,
to
you're
do
scaring
with-
me
I
now.
say,
No coolant sensors, ever a Hall effect switch.
Speed sensor.
crank
But
sensors in the
I had no
car?
idea.
Yeah, he got one of them right.
Who?
You.
One of them's a crank sensor.
One's a crank sensor, what's the other one?
This is a crank sensor here, right?
Oh, yeah, and what's the other one?
So if it's not
Wouldn't be a cam, would it?
Yes,
It is?
crank and cam. Got it?
Wrong, but still. at least it's a few.
Okay, y'all did so well on those, I'll put a lot more of those on your test, only I'll make them harder. Okay. So, that's pretty good.